Hi there, my name is Lena and I am the Internal Service Coordinator here at Oakridge Ford. Today, I am going to talk about why keeping an accident checklist is always crucial when you go out for a drive, especially on a long journey. Keeping an accident checklist in the glove box of your vehicle can help you eliminate guesswork during a potentially traumatic incident. At Oakridge Ford, we highly recommend keeping an accident checklist handy so that you and your family can take every necessary step to protect yourselves physically and legally. So, what should this checklist include? First things first, stay where you are and call 911. Your health and safety should always be the first priority. If you are able to move your car and there is still any sign of danger, it is best to direct your car to the side of the road. Second, check those in your vehicle for injuries, then check other vehicle or vehicles involved, and only if it poses no danger to you. Third, endangered lives and property. Remember to offer aid to anyone that needs help by dialing 911, but do not try to remove anyone from the vehicle yourself. The only scenario that this wouldn't apply to is when it represents a life-threatening situation, like if you see flames coming from the vehicle. Fourth, hitting property. If you hit a car that is parked and no one is in it, you still need to identify yourself. Leave a note on the car to let the other person know your name, address, and phone number. Once you arrive at home, you should notify the police or highway patrol, depending on where the accident happened. Fifth, gather and share information. Exchange information with the other driver, including your name, phone number, the vehicle's license plate number, and insurance information. Do not supply coverage information. Then, talk to witnesses, getting their names and phone numbers. Remember not to admit fault for the accident. Sixth, document damage. It is extremely important to document damage to your vehicle as well as other vehicles. The easiest and probably the best way to do this is to use your cell phone to take pictures. Make sure to take pictures of both cars and any skid marks or debris on the roadway. Seventh, notify your car accident lawyer and insurance company. Call your lawyer and your insurance company to let them know about the accident. Your attorney will probably give you additional advice on what to do and can go over other important steps after a car crash. Eighth, cooperate with police. Follow police instructions. They are there not only to investigate the accident, but to make sure everyone is safe. When the police is called, they will also prepare a police report and will probably give you a copy right away. If this is not the case, you can request one through the police department. If you have any questions regarding this accident checklist, feel free to give us a call at 844-209-9936, and we would be more than happy to answer your questions. At Oakridge Ford, your safety is always our priority, and we will assist you in every possible way to have a safe and enjoyable driving experience. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.